2017 Ford F150, 5.0 liter. I think it's through 11 through whatever. If you're leaking coolant where your top radiator hose goes on here, or where this goes on to the thermostat, you can buy a O-ring rebuild kit. Dorman part number 926168. It's got some O-rings in there. I already popped it out there, but it goes in that groove right there. You just pop that O-ring out, put the O-ring in, and then your top radiator hose, got an O-ring right in there. You just change them O-rings. I believe that one, well over $100 for that Y pipe, or you can buy the O-ring kit. List was $40, but we got it for $22.91, so a lot cheaper. Just to buy your, as long as this is good here, as long as you're not leaking right here on this trim, you can just buy your O-ring kit.